Welcome to Foodies Corner. Today we will prepare dalia and moong dal khichdi. This khichdi is nutritious as well as delicious. To make dalia and moong dal khichdi, first we will soak the dalia and moong dal for 8 to 7 hours. You can add any vegetables of your choice, like I have added broccoli, cauliflower, green peas, paneer, carrot, soaked dalia, soaked moong dal and tomato. So let's start making dalia moong dal khichdi. We are going to prepare khichdi in cooker. Add ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. One pinch of hing powder. Now we will add carrots, following along broccoli and cauliflower. Roast until there is slight change in color. Now put the lid on and let the vegetables cook for few minutes. You can see now there's slight change in color. Vegetables are now cooked. We'll take out on a plate and we'll add paneer. We'll cook paneer for few minutes. Now we will add tomatoes. After cooking tomatoes for few minutes, we will add salt, one tablespoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix well and add 2 raw green chilies. Now we will add all vegetables which we had already fried. We'll add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, also we'll add Maggi masala 1 packet, that will increase the taste. Mix it well and cook for a few minutes. After mixing well, now we will add green peas. Now we will add main ingredients, that is moong dal and dalia. Mix everything well before adding dalia. Mix everything well and we'll add garam masala. Remember to add garam masala at last. We'll add water and mix it well and put the lid on and we'll cook until 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, we will check and taste. This is an amazing dish for people who want to eat something healthy, which is easy to make and tastes absolutely mouth-watering. Dalia khichdi is healthy and easy to cook. Also, you can serve this to infant, but remember not to add spices. smell is so good and tempting. Please try this dish at home and tell me how it tastes. All ingredients are given on the description. Please check it out. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share with your friends and family.